Hello everybody, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I'm gonna show you very fast when you uh, when you have enabled your service and you're ready to broadcast with your radio. Um, the only thing you need, even if you don't have a client like Virtual DJ or Radio Boss, the only thing you're gonna need is to have your AutoDJ enabled and running. Okay, that's from default it's gonna be enabled and running, and you're gonna need to add some media and add them to a playlist so that AutoDJ is gonna rotate and start playing. To this video, I'm gonna show you very fast how you're gonna add your audio, and then you're gonna add them to a playlist so that AutoDJ is gonna start playing your songs. Okay, let's go straight here to the media music files. You see here I added a couple of songs. I'm gonna add one or two more. Let me show you here. Let's go to the MP3 here collection. I'm gonna just select. Let's say I'm gonna select. Okay, let's select Dido here. I'm gonna select one from here. Take my hand. Okay. You see, the only thing I'm gonna have to do is to upload my files. You can drag and drop your MP3 files. Once you do that, you can then arrange them to a playlist and do the exact thing that I'm doing at the moment. At the moment, I'm gonna add all of them to the default playlist because you can create as many playlists as you want, and you can arrange what playlist is gonna play what time, and you can even create a playlist with advertisements, and you can arrange it to play just at when it's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock every day. Or you can even arrange what date or day or week of the year it's gonna play. Okay, that was fast. I uploaded three songs here. I'm gonna select all of them because I want to add them to a playlist. I'm gonna add them to this one, new playlist, but I can easily create, if I want, another one. I can just write here the name of the playlist and click save. So I'm gonna create a new one. At the moment, I don't want to create a new one. I'm gonna just select the default and I'm gonna click save. So all those songs are added to default. You see here, I have the default um, playlist. And you saw a message up here that it was saying that I have my songs to the default playlist. If I click to the default playlist, you're gonna see that I have all the songs here. And at the same time, if I go to music files here, let me show you. If I move to the playlists here, I'm gonna see the playlist. I can edit the playlist. I can arrange the schedule. I can say that it's gonna play from let's say 12 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock in the night, and then I'm gonna add another playlist. You can arrange which days of the week it's gonna play. At the moment, because this video has to be short, it's only about the beginner when you just start to create your radio station, and you just want to start your playlist and to start playing some songs. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to go to view profile here, and here I'm gonna just click restart the AutoDJ service so that it's gonna start playing the playlist. In fact, it already recognized that I have three uploaded songs and one playlist, so it start rotating and playing. I guess that was really easy to do. And if you click public page, you're gonna listen to those songs. I'm gonna bring it here. You see? You see, it was that easy, and it started playing. Then from our own, you can upload your own music. You can create your own playlist, and you can enjoy your music. You can enjoy it without advertisements, or you can be in a commercial field and start playing music, or create um, uh, your own um, you know podcast, and have your own DJs, because you see you have the ability to add DJs and streamers, and on that way you can arrange people to work for you, and play music in different times of the week. Um, that was all. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful for all of you, starting with AzuraCast. And if you enjoy the video, just click like. And if you have any questions, just ask. Don't be afraid to ask. And if I can't answer straight to your question, I'm gonna create another video showing you exactly the feature that you are looking for. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you the best, and be awesome. Bye bye.